Hey folks, gonna go over my next PC build here. Alright, so it all starts with the Core i5 9400F Foxtrot. This is one of the newest Intel chips. Now I haven't decided between these two video cards. I'm probably gonna go Gigabyte RX 570, but we'll see. Here's my case. This should be better than the other case that I bought. Let me, this Logis CS. I think I got it for $23. So mid-size tower. Power supply EVGA 500 watt. Gigabyte. Now this this motherboard, as you probably noticed on my channel, because everybody watches my channel, that's the cheapest 9th gen probably that you can buy. So even though it'll say 8th gen on Amazon, once you flash the BIOS, boom, you are doing 9th gen. Alright, for our M2 NVMe 970 EVO, this is one badass drive. And I'll also, because I have it sitting around, be using this Adida SU655, which I don't know which one I'm going to put the operating system on. Be nicer on that, probably be a lot faster. Then I got to get new ones of these, or get some more, but this Patriot RAM memory, that will only hold 2 sticks, so I'm actually thinking of getting one 16 gig and an 8 gig. Alright, then the trusty Noctua NH-U14S.